time we follow the signal one way, it goes another. It's like it's in two places at once.
That's impossible. Unless... Whiskers, that's it. It's not one signal, it's two. But what does it mean?
Better split up and find out. Nice try. I'm right on your tail.
Huh? Where'd he go? All I see is a bunch of logs. That's no log, that's... Captain Conway the crocodile!
Agnes the alligator.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Hold up. What's that in your teeth?
This thing, it's been bugging me all day.
The My Squad satellite!
Where's the satellite, Conway?
No evidence, no crime.
The satellite. It was you! Also...
I have no idea how that got there.
Kid, I can't believe it, but my detective instincts were wrong. It was the crocodile.
But Sam, I think you were right all along. It was the alligator.
Huh?
All right, so we were both right. It must have happened like this.
They both chomped the van at the same time, and they both bit off a chunk of the satellite.
Actually, I chomped it first.
Only 'cause your big old tail was blocking my way. I thought I was chomping into something tasty, not something that'd get stuck in my teeth.
Or give me a bellyache.
That explains the two tail trails.
Why we both saw something different. Thanks, guys.
Another creature cave closed.
Oh no! Cluebot, go!
Whoa! Thanks for the lift.
Snowball, you're the missing camper we've been looking for.
I am? But weren't you looking for someone with brown fur? Wait, my fur changes to brown for half the year. Oh, how did I forget that?
Your fur changes color.
Uh-huh. When the temperature changes, it causes some animals to change the color of their fur, like weasels, caribou,
And snowshoe hares, so they can blend in with the tundra in the winter and the forest in the spring.
Oh, wow! Is it spring already? I was wondering why I was so warm.
And look, the warmer temperature has made you even more brown.
Uh-oh, that wolf is still after me. How will I blend into the snow like this?
Let's head back to the snowshoe hares camp.
It's too far. We won't make it.
Maybe we don't have to go all the way back. Come on. Now to find the right spot. There! Half brown, half white, just like your fur.
Perfect!
That wolf will never see you now. Snowball, other way.
Huh? Whoopsie.
Here he comes. Snowball, hold still.
You two seen a rabbit?
Nope, no rabbits here.
Are you sure you haven't seen a rabbit?
Uh-huh.
We're sure.
Phew!
No rabbits here. Just a perfectly camouflaged snowshoe hare. Nice job, Snowball.
Thanks for your help, agents!
Come on, time to get you back to camp. An oasis. Think she got thirsty?
Mole rats actually don't drink. They get all the water they need from their food.
Oh, well maybe she stopped to rest. Let's ask around. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen this mole rat?
Yeah. I seen her.
When?
She passed through a little while ago. She was wearing a real fancy hat. Looked brand new.
A fancy hat? Like a tiara?
No, I'd say it was more like a crown. Like the one the mole rat queen herself wears. Yeah. Just like that one.
Excuse me.
Sorry. I thought I saw a bug.
So the princess got a new crown. But where's she going with it?
Agents?
You've got gotta stop doing that.
Her Highness requests a report on the whereabouts of the princess.
We haven't found her yet.
Please hurry, agents. I fear she may not last much longer out here. What with all the enemies of our people lurking about? Oh, my tubers! Whoa! See what I mean?
Wow. Good thing the mole rat's tunnels stretch all the way out here. I can't believe we're still standing over the palace.
Hang on. Sam.
Huh?
I think I know where the princess is going. Come on! We know the princess left alone, and that she was last seen wearing a crown. Now, the princess must be heading past the boundaries of the palace.
Okay, but why?
Because she wants to start her own mole rat colony. That's why she left alone, and why she was wearing a crown.
Whiskers, that's it. She's going to make her own palace and become a new mole rat queen.
Exactly. But we're not the only ones looking for her. We gotta find her before that hungry owl does.
Which way to the closest palace border?
This way.
And there's the princess! Princess! Get to cover! Princess! Dig!
She's not gonna make it underground in time.
Oh, yes, she will. Cluebot, dig! We have the island surrounded with our cluebots. Everything they see, we can see too. They're watching the vines, the surface of the water, and even the air.
If anything tries to swing, swim, or fly onto the island, our cluebots will spot it.
So, what do we do now?
Now, we wait.
I hear it coming.
Huh? But the cluebots didn't see anything.
What in the wee world? My fruities!
How did it get onto the island without being seen? This doesn't make any sense.
If it's not coming by land, or air, or the water's surface, it must be coming from...
Under the water. Cluebot, go!
If it's under there, we'll find it.
What was that? It looked like it was walking along the bottom.
Whatever it is, it's moving fast.
I can't watch.
Where'd it go?
Cluebot! What happened? What was that thing?
Look, Sam. Fang marks. That was definitely the fruit thief.
So that's how it's been getting onto the island, going underwater.
It's back for more.
Over there.
Wait, now the noises are coming from that way.
It's always one step ahead of us.
So let's not take any steps. Stand very still, Kit, and listen.
There!
It's heading into the water.
Gotta borrow this! Woohoo! Got him!
Careful, Kit. We don't know what we're dealing with here. It could be... The mouse, dear?
Huh? Oh, hey guys. Did you find that fruit thief yet?
I think we just did. I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey.
Sorry guys, it's up to you now. Stay cool out there, Agent.
You can count on us, Director.